Namaste dear students, welcome to the accounts class. Students, in our last discussion, last video we have discussed the problems, that is undercast and overcast, and how to rectify the errors. If it is undercast, book shows undercast, lesser amount or excess amount, how to rectify the transactions. See, in this video we are going to discuss the problems, that is along with the suspense account, the journal entries, how to rectify the transactions and how to prepare the suspense account. So, see the problem. Trial balance of Raju shows an excess debit of rupees 10,000. Why we are preparing the suspense account, or why we are preparing the rectification of errors means to rectify that error and the difference in the trial balance. What we got, the difference in the trial balance, that is transferred to suspense account, right? So, for that we are going to prepare suspense account. See, trial balance of Raju showed an excess debit of rupees 10,000. Excess debit, the trial balance difference ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. How much? 10,000, that is excess debit. If it is excess debit means we are going to transfer that to the credit side of the suspense account. He put the difference to suspense account and discovered the following errors. Okay. So, what is the first error? Depreciation written off the furniture of rupees 6,000 was not posted to furniture account. So, here what is this depreciation? Depreciation is nothing but decreasing the value of a fixed asset. Fixed asset iddu value enagta bartade, decrease agta bartade, that is known as depreciation. So, depreciation, see, if we purchase some furniture, fixed asset, that is furniture, a table or chairs etc. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ asset. So, depreciation of a furniture, written off the furniture of rupees 6,000 was not posted to furniture account. It is not posted to furniture account. What is the journal entry now? Depreciation account data to furniture account. Depreciation is a expenses because it goes on decreasing the value of a fixed asset. So, therefore, depreciation is a what? Expenses. So, journal entry is depreciation account data to furniture account. See, what is the wrong here? What is the wrong entry? Not posted to furniture account. It is not posted to furniture account. Actually, it is posted to furniture account, but they are wrongly not entered in the furniture account. Let us prepare the journal entry. Debit amount, credit amount. Here debit amount, particulars. Okay. First one is depreciation rupees 6,000 was not posted to furniture account. It is not posted to furniture account means we have to post that to the furniture account. That is, the entry is suspense account debtor to furniture account. See, it is not posted to furniture account. That means depreciation account ಗೆ transfer ಆಗಿದೆ. It is not posted to furniture account. So, what is the journal entry? Correct journal entry is depreciation account debtor to furniture account. So, therefore, it is not posted to furniture account means we have to transfer it to the furniture account. So, entry is suspense account debtor to furniture account. What is the amount? 6,000. 6,000. So, write the narration, that is depreciation written off the furniture is not posted to furniture account, now rectified. Okay, this is the narration. Next, second one. Credit sales to Rupam, rupees 10,000 were recorded as rupees 7,000. See, this is, I explained in the last sessions, that is incorrectly recorded. Credit sales to Rupam rupees 10,000, actual amount is how much? 10,000 were recorded as rupees 7,000. It is incorrectly recorded. What is the difference now? 10,000 is the actual amount, 7,000 is recorded, 3,000 is the difference. Okay. Credit sales to Rupam rupees 10,000 were recorded as rupees 7,000. They recorded the transactions but incorrectly recorded. 10,000 actual amount, but they recorded as 7,000. So we have to record this wrong entry, that is credit sales to Rupam. Credit sales to Rupam means it is credit transactions. So the entry is Rupam account debtor to sales account. They entered correctly, but the amount is entered as 10,000. Actual amount is 10,000, but they entered as rupees 7,000. So you are not recording the 10,000 or 7,000. You have to record the amount that is difference amount, that is rupees 3,000. How it is 3,000? Actual amount is 10,000. They recorded it as rupees 7,000. 10,000 minus 7,000 is 3,000. So Rupam account debtor to sales account. Write the narration, that is credit sales to Rupam rupees 10,000 is recorded as rupees 7,000, now rectified. Next, third entry is purchase book under cost by rupees 2,000. So we discussed in our last sessions, that is under cost and over cost. So how it is rectified? Purchase book under cost by rupees 2,000. Purchase book shows, always shows debit amount, right? So for that, under cost, see the principle. What is the principle? What does say? If it is excess debit, credit that account. If it is a short debit, further debit, further give the debit account. So now purchase book shows, always shows debit amount, right? So for that it is under cost. Under cost means short amount, shorter than the actual, lesser than the actual. So for that, purchase account debtor to suspense account. So purchase account debtor to suspense account, because purchase always shows debit balance and this is the under cost. Under cost means if it is under cost in the debit side means give further debit to particular account. Write the narration, that is purchase book shows under cost, now rectified. Amount is 2,000. Okay. Next, last one is cash sales to Raghu rupees 5,000 were not posted to sales account. See, same transactions. Cash sales to Raghu rupees 5,000 were not posted to sales account. It is not posted to sales account, but we have to post to the sales account. That is suspense account debtor. Along with the suspense account, we have to post the transaction. Suspense account debtor to sales account. Suspense account debtor to sales account. Why? Because it is not posted to sales account. We posted the account. So now rectified. Write the narration. Cash sales to Raghu were not recorded in the sales book. Now rectified. What is the amount? 5,000. So this is how rectified all the journal entries, all the wrong transactions now rectified. So once again I will explain depreciation. Depreciation is decreasing the value of a fixed asset. Return of the furniture was rupees 6,000 was not posted to furniture account. Not posted to furniture account, we have posted the furniture account, concerned account, that is along with the suspense account. Suspense account debtor to furniture account. Next one is credit sales to Rupam. It is recorded as rupees 7,000. Actual amount is 10,000. We are recorded as 7,000. Wrongly recorded. So Rupam account debtor to sales account. The difference amount you have to write. Okay, not 10,000 or 7,000. Next one is purchase book undercast. Undercast shows if it is undercast means lesser amount than the actual. So, if it is undercast in the debit side, further give the debit. For purchase book shows debit balance. So, for that we have to give debit account itself, purchase account to suspense account, that is 2000. Next, cash sales to Raghu rupees 5000 were not posted to sales account. It is not posted to sales account, we have posted it. See, to suspense account to sales account 5000. Now, we have to prepare the suspense account, because see, in the problem itself they given as trial balance of Raju showed an excess amount debit of rupees 10,000. He put the difference to suspense account. That means we have to prepare the suspense account. So, suspense account. See, this is a ledger account, date column, particulars column, amount, date, particulars, amount. Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. This is credit side and this is debit side. So, this is a ledger account. So, in our first chapter, in our third chapter, we discussed recording of transactions, right, third and fourth chapter. So, in that we have discussed the journal entries and how to post to the ledger accounts. So, same, this is a suspense account. Using this journal entry, we are going to post this suspense account, this reference to the suspense account, okay. And this is debit side and this is credit side, and see, trial balance showed an excess debit. Excess debit, what does the principle say? Excess debit is give credit account. So, that is excess debit of rupees 10,000 by, that is debit, you have to give credit by difference in a trial balance. If it is credit side means you have to give debit side. Excess means, if it is short means same, further debit or further credit. If by difference in a trial balance of rupees 10,000, see, this is 10,000, okay. Next, transfer this journal to the ledger. See, first entry, suspense account to furniture account. Suspense account is under debit side. So, here to date is not given. So, to furniture account. Furniture account, how much? Rupees 6,000. Okay. In the next transaction, there is no suspense account, and in the third transaction, purchase account to suspense account. Suspense account is under credit side. So, by purchase account, how much? Rupees 2,000. Next one, fourth one, suspense account to sales account. Suspense is under debit side. Now, to sales account, rupees 5,000. It is the same as a posting to the ledger accounts. In our earlier chapters we have studied. So, to sales account rupees 5,000. So, the suspense account, the difference in the suspense account is finished, right. Now, total both the side, that is how much? 10 plus 2, 12,000, here 11,000. So, whichever is higher. So, that is credit side to 12,000. The difference in the trial balance, actually your suspense account will be closed, right. So, if it is your suspense account is going to close, then that means it is your trial balance and suspense account is correct. But in this case, 1000 is a difference. So, put it as a difference to balance carry down. Balance carry down. How much? 12,000 minus 6,000 minus 5,000, that is 1,000. 6 plus 5, 11,000. 12,000 minus 11,000 is 1,000. See, this is the difference. That difference is transferring to the balance sheet. Okay. So, this is how preparing the rectification of errors and suspense account. Suspense account posting to the ledger account. Suspense account is a temporary account, not a permanent account. And this balance is the difference between the suspense account, that is balance, is transferring to the balance sheet. Okay. So, this is about a rectification of errors, trial balance and a rectification of errors. So, let me refresh the chapter. So, trial balance, what is a trial balance? Trial balance is a statement which shows the balances, totals or balances of the ledger accounts, and the debit amount should be equal to the credit amount column. Debit is equal to credit. Okay. So, this is a trial balance. Your trial balance should and must equal. Okay. And rectification, come to rectification of errors. The rectification of errors means there are different types of errors, right? Errors of commission, errors of omission, partial errors, complete errors. So, these are all errors committed by the organization in order to recording the transactions. They committed some mistakes. So, in order to rectify that entry, that wrong transactions, we have to give rectification entries along with the suspense account. If it is before preparing the trial balance, means writing the transactions by giving the ledger accounts, that is a debit or a credit. If it is after preparing the trial balance, means along with the suspense account, we are going to rectify the entries along with the suspense account. So, here we have prepared a suspense account also. Okay. In our next session, we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is financial statements. Depending upon the trial balance, we are going to prepare the final statements, that is profit and loss account and a balance sheet. Okay. So, profit and loss account shows profit or loss of the organization, and balance sheet shows the final position of the organization. So, we will discuss in the next session, that is financial statements. Thank you.